Get ready for a tech bombshell. Fresh leaks reveal the Galaxy S25 Ultra in stunning new angles and an eye-popping first look at the iPhone 17 Pro Max, marking a major shift in design. This is the future of smartphones, and you won't want to miss a second of it. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Detailed S25 Ultra design and One UI 7. Just a few days ago, we caught a glimpse of the S25 Ultra with its flat design and rounded corners. Now, we've got even more images from the same source, offering a better look at the phone and One UI 7. These new images reveal the bottom of the S25 Ultra, which looks pretty similar to the S24 Ultra, complete with a USB-C port, S Pen slot, speaker, mic, and SIM card slot. Another shot shows the thinner frame, giving the S25 Ultra a sleeker look. We also see One UI 7.0's charging notification on the screen, and some app icons, like the Calendar app, have been redesigned with new customizable widgets. Leadership stability at Samsung. For those anticipating leadership changes at Samsung, especially in their mobile division, it's not happening. Tim Rowe is staying on as head of the mobile division, despite mixed reactions to his decisions like discontinuing the Note series and slower upgrades to foldables. However, Samsung's flagship phone sales have increased since Rowe took over in 2020, so it looks like the company is sticking with him for now. FCC listings and charging confusion. All three models of the Galaxy S25 series have popped up on the FCC website, revealing key specs about charging and ultra-wideband connectivity. Despite some reports claiming the base S25 model's wireless charging speed was reduced from 15W to 9W, it actually remains at 15W for all variants. The confusion came from a misreading of the FCC listing, which mentioned 9W for reverse wireless charging, not regular charging. Also, the base S25 won't have an ultra-wideband chip, while the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra will, aiding in precise tracking of items like smart tags. iPhone 17 Pro Max insights. Now, let's talk about the iPhone 17 Pro Max. According to a reliable source, The Information, we have a first look at this new iPhone. The report suggests that both the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will feature a new rectangular camera bump on the back. Surprisingly, the back of the phone may be partially made of aluminum instead of glass, with only the top portion being aluminum and the bottom half remaining glass to support wireless charging. Additionally, Apple might be dropping titanium after just 2 generations and returning to aluminum frames for all iPhone 17 models. While this sounds unexpected, the source is solid, so it could very well happen. That's all the exciting updates for today. With the Galaxy S25 Ultra's sleek new design and the surprising changes in the iPhone 17 Pro Max, it's clear that the future of smartphones is looking brighter than ever. Make sure to stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reviews as these releases approach. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.